thanks for being here. I've done something, but before I tell you what I've done, I've got to do a little experiment here. Here, I have a cable. It is a 5-pin DIN, and it has 4 RCA outputs. I need to, it's, I guess, new old stock, but I need to open it because I have some things to test. But before I can test them, I have to figure out which things on this cable do what. And the things I'm going to be testing are a Vic-20. And here is one, and this is the other complication. I have one here. I think it works. I think. So, what I need to do is take this lovely 1802 monitor and flip it up. And I need to take out the 8-pin, or do I? That's a fine question. Do I really? I've got an 8-pin cable going into it. But the Vic, of course, is 5. You know what? I don't think I do. What is that cord? Oh, it's the power cord. Oh. Okay. So I have this 5-pin DIN cable. I wish that this monitor had inputs in the front. It would make it so much easier, but it doesn't. So let me see here. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to switch the switch in the back to just video. And I'm going to try and get this in a position where I can do everything like this. So, are we on? We're on. Is the Vic-20 on? It's on. Now, there are 4 colors here: yellow, white, black, red. Do they mean anything like however on the back of the monitor would mean? Well, no. I know which is the sound, and I know which is, as in the plug that's the sound, it's the upper of 2, and I know which is the video. So I'm going to, okay, I picked the white one. I saw something light up. Ooh, look at that. It's a Vic. Okay, well, that went well. That was a lucky guess. Do I really need... Yeah, I probably really do need the sound. Well, one thing for sure. Let me just turn... Yes. I'll turn the volume up. I know that if I put a video cable into an audio cable, I'm going to hear that, or I don't know what that was, but it wasn't good. That might be. So the black is a no, the red is a maybe. That sounds like sound. It does, it's got a bit of a hum to it now. Am I correct? Oh, why is it black and white? What have I done? Hang on here. Oh. Alright, this was in color. I'm sure it was. But not anymore. This is the thing I hate about this, is I can't see. I can't reach in the back to see what's what. Well, and also I don't know what's up with this Vic-20 anyway. So that that thing that sounded like sound. Ow. Was yellow. So just a second here. As you can see, I haven't got my other desk cleaned up yet. Anyway, I will tell you what I've done in a moment. Okay, so we have sound. And we don't need that much sound. But the thing I'm kind of still perplexed about is this was color, and now it's not. Alright, just because I'm curious. So yellow is sound, white is one video thing. I'm going to try a different thing. Oh. Still black and white. I would bet that this one, which is red, does nothing. Alright. Very strange. It was color. But see, this Vic-20, I don't know. You know, I have notes on the bottom. It just says March 2021 basement Vic-20 2-prong test socketed. So I opened it, but I obviously didn't have a power supply available. So it's working, but not. But yeah, it was color. Well, if I reach behind here, there are controls. Which make no difference. Alright. So, is there something wrong with this Vic-20 in terms of the color? Or is something else happening here? I don't know. I am confused. Just a moment while I shuffle things delicately here. Up here in the pile of things on this desk. Ooh, what does this say? Bin. Oh. Black and white bit. No. No. Alright. Works. Space bars from here. Video chip is missing. Oh no, the video chip is not missing from that. But other things are. So, hang on. What is this? Power's up, no cursor. this is the one. Oh, I scavenged it. Just a moment. What does this one say? Wonky power connector. Oh, that's good. Beautiful shape. Yeah, power connector feels a little wonky. Okay. It is also a 2-prong model. So let's just see. Do we have, first of all, is it working? I see nothing. Nothing. It did work. Is it? Oh. I've scavenged a chip. Which I did not make note of. Oh, well. You know what? No, I want to see it on a Vic. I want to see color on a Vic-20 with this cable. Just a moment. I may be running out. Video chip missing. No, the 6502 chip is missing. Alright. I have scavenged and done things. I have. Well, perhaps I just need to see what happens with this. Black and white. But the sound works. Alright. Alright, so from what I know here, I have a Vic-20 power supply. I have Commodore. Sorry, I have the regular 2-prong power supply for the Vic. I have one that has the round connector, and that should work on other Vic-20s, and I have a video cable that seems to work, and the sound is hooked up, and this is not coming in color, but, you know. Anyway, what am I saying? What am I doing? I got some Vic-20s. As I'm trying to get rid of things, I know this is a mistake, but I couldn't not. There were 3 of them, and it was a price I could not turn down. I could not. So I did not. I had to drive quite a ways to get them. And there were other power supplies with them. So, over the next episodes, I'm going to give them a try and see what's what. I wish I knew what happened with this that was blue. But, you know what, when I'm testing these out, maybe they work, maybe they don't. I'm sure I'll get an idea of what is what. And, yeah. So, going back to this cable, which is a, I don't know, somebody made it, Fentone at some point. 5-pin to 4 outputs. From what I can tell, if you have, and you are hooking up to a regular thing, on such a cable as this, the white is video, the yellow is audio. I wonder, does that match up with the colors in the monitor? No, it's exactly opposite. Yellow sound, and you know, just because I'm here, and I know another funny thing. No, is that on? Yeah, it's on. Okay. Something else made the sign, made it light up. Oh, black. That's very strange. Alright, so black or white seems to be video. And yellow is audio. I guess that makes sense. See, this cable is not Commodore specific, so it really doesn't care what's what. So I guess it would also do the chroma and luma on a 64. It would. But why is it black and white? I don't know. Well, maybe it's this Vic-20. Maybe. Anyway. Alright. So, I'm going to get the 3 Vic-20s that I got, and what am I doing here? And we'll have a look. We will. We shall. Shift lock again. What is that? Oh, I know what happened. You know what I did? Right. I did something like that. So I made that there. I think. Alright, time to recycle, and time to get the Vic-20s that I never should have got and assess them. And then we'll see what's going on with this color or no color. Anyway, thank you. Stay tuned for more Vic-20 illumination. Bye for now.